Okay, so hello everyone. Today we will be starting with LeetCode 75, in which we have 75 questions, as you may be aware of it. So it's the first video of this playlist. So now let's see what the first question is all about. Okay, so the question is merge strings alternatively. The question number is 1768. It's an easy one. So let's see what the question asks for. Okay, so let's read the statement. You are given two strings, word1 and word2. Okay, merge the strings by adding letters in alternating order. Start with word1. Okay, so we need to merge the letters of two strings, which is word1 and word2, and we need to start from the word1. Okay, so if a string longer than the other, append the additional letters onto the end of the merge string. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that if word1 is longer than word2, so once after merging alternatively, the remaining part of word1 should be merged to the answer string, and vice versa. If word 2 is longer than word 1, so the remaining part of word 2 will be merged to the answer string. Okay, so as we can see here, that suppose we start from word 1, so we append A, then the second, and then the first letter of word 2, which is P. Then we come to B, so B is here, and then we come to Q, so Q. Similarly C and R. Okay, so in this case the length was same, so we didn't have to do much. Now in the next case, as we can see, we have A, so we have added A to it. Then we got B, so we added B to it. Similarly, we got B, so we added B. Then we got Q, so we added Q to it. Now we can see that word 1 is over. Okay, so the remaining part is like R and S. So this R and S will be appended to the answer string. Okay, as we can see, I have done the try run. Or talking about the approach, we can simply use the two pointer, which is our I and J, starting in which one will be starting from word 1 and other will be starting from word 2. Okay, so we have added I A, the string becomes A, we add P, then the string becomes AP. Then we move the pointers. Since here we can see that we have moved both the pointers. So first we add B to it, so here comes the B, then we added Q, so here comes the Q. In the similar fashion, we increase the I and J by 1, so it comes to C and it comes to R. So here is our answer string. Now, as we can see in this case, as I have discussed before, here I ends, here the W1 ends. So we just append the RS part to it. Okay, so here is the RS part. As we can read that word 1 is over, but W2 word 2 is still remaining. So add the remaining part of W2 to the answer string. If W1 was remaining, then we would have done same with the W1. Okay, so we just need to add the remaining part. So now I will discuss the code. It's a very easy one, I would say. So what we have done here, we have first calculated the size of both the strings by using the size function. So we have assigned two pointers. I will be for the word 1, it will be for the 1, and J will be for the 2. We have used an answer string to store our answer. Now as we can see, I will run till is less than the size of W1 and J will run till it's less than the size of W2. Okay, so we added the word 1, we added the word 2, and we moved both the pointers. Now if just in case we have W1 remaining, this part will run and append all its character, and just in case if w2 is remaining, this part will run and it will add the w2 remaining characters, and at last we can just return our answer. So yeah, that's the approach for it, I would say. As you can see, the runtime is good. We are using the time complexity of, like, say, big O of m plus n, not completely m plus n, but I would say the common part of m plus n and the remaining part of whatever. Yeah, but you can say that it's taking big O of n. So I think that's the easy and a good approach to it. So yeah, that's all for the question. Have a nice day ahead.